Hey there, fantastic folks. Welcome back to How to Channel, your ultimate guide to tech tips and tricks with a side of laughs. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, my dog might just chew up your favorite pair of socks. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Google Forms. And guess what? You can create them right from your mobile phone. That's right. No need for a fancy computer or a magic wand. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your mobile browser. If your phone's home screen looks like a sea of app icons, don't worry. Just find your browser and dive in.
Okay.
Step 2. Navigate to forms.google.com. It's like going to Google's secret lab of forms. Shh, don't tell anyone. Step 3. Click on that shiny plus sign to create a new form. It's like starting a new adventure, but without the dragon.
What?
Step 4. Give your form a title and a description. Be creative, but maybe don't name it Boring Survey 101. Step 5. Add your questions. You can choose different types of questions like multiple choice, checkboxes, or even a short answer. It's like being a quiz master, but cooler. Step 6. Customize your form with themes and colors. Make it pretty, or as pretty as a form can get. Picasso would be proud.
Nice.
Step 7. Preview your form to make sure everything looks good. Then, hit that send button to share it with the world, or at least with your friends, family, or coworkers. Maybe even your pet hamster. And there you have it. You've just created a Google form using your mobile phone. See, it's not rocket science, but it's just as cool. Thanks for watching, techies. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else, my cat might decide to sit on your keyboard and type random messages. Trust me, no one wants that. See you in the next video, and stay awesome.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye to everybody.